Hey guys, it's me Stace. I am back again today with another Cricut Explorer video, and we are doing our Making a Monday project, and today we are making this adorable little Easter basket. Not really cute, it also has a little Easter bunny that pops out, a little greeting on the front. Super easy. I'm just going to the computer and we will get started. Space, I'm already logged in. You want to go where it says Cricut Access and then click on View All. In the search box in the upper right hand corner, type in Easter box and then click on Enter. And it's going to bring up the boxes, and the one we want is right here. It's the Easter basket gift box. Go ahead and click on that. It brings up a preview window. Very bottom, click on Customize. All right, so we have the bunny, the box, the greeting, and our handle. I'm going to go ahead and click on the greeting and drag that across. I'm going to right click on that and choose Ungroup to separate the pieces. I'm going to right click on it again and choose Ungroup. So now I have the greeting, we have the purple layer and the green layer. All I want is the white and the green, so I'm going to click on the X to delete the purple layer. So we're going to layer the green on top of the white, and then the greeting we're going to cut out of vinyl. That's going to go on top just like that. All right, so if we go to the upper right-hand corner and click on Make It, you will see a message pops up saying that our image is larger than 11.5. If you go down to Mat 4, you will see that band for the handle is actually longer than our 12-inch mat. So we're going to go ahead and click on OK up here, and click on Cancel down here. So what I did is I just took two pieces of brown cardstock and glued them together. I clicked on this, and you can go to the very top where the toolbar is, and you will see the size of the item that you selected. This is 17.3 by 0.66. I cut it out to 17.5 by 0.75, so 3/4 of an inch wide by 17.5 inches long. So we can delete that piece. Now go back up and click on Make It. So now you'll see all of our pieces here use 12 by 12. So we have the white cardstock piece here, Mat 2, or wherever your wording is, that's going to be cut out in vinyl, or you can use a stamp of your choice, or you can use cardstock. Mat 3 is our box. That does need a piece of 12 by 12. Mat 4 is the brown for the bunny, and then Mat 5 is the green for the greeting, also the little bow for the bunny. I'm going to click on Continue, cut it out, go to the table, and put our box together. All right, we are back. All of our pieces are cut out. We're first going to work with the box. So I'm going to finger press on the score marks. And if you can see, I did stamp flowers on here, and I used May's stamp set called Happy Hibiscus. I just used that one here. And for the ink, I used Stampin' Up! Blushing Bride. It does not match the cardstock, but I just like the color. So I'm going to finger press all the score marks just to kind of get them started. Okay, now I'll go in there with my bone folder and just give all that a better crease. As you can see, I also stamped on the inside this little scallop edge because you're going to see that on the outside. See right there, you're going to see that edge. All right, so now what we're going to do, we're going to put glue on these two little flaps here, and I'm using Art Glitter Glue. I get this from MayMayMadeIt.com. Before I do that, I do want to cut off these flaps just a little bit. I found them to be too bulky. So just take your pair of scissors and just cut the flaps on a little bit of an angle. Okay. All right, now we can take our glue. Glue on this flap here, and you want to go all the way to the fold, and just take this and line it up. Oh, I missed that score mark. That's why it's always important to do your score marks. Okay, there we go. Now I take that and line it up on the bottom. I'm going to go in there and just kind of press on it, make sure it sticks down. Take the next flap and put glue on that one as well. And bring that on this side. Just lining up along the edge. And when I get it there, just set it up and then just kind of push it down on the inside. All right, now you're going to take your flaps, put them on the inside, and put glue on those. Again, you want to have your glue go all the way out to the fold and bring that in to close up that side. I'm going to go in there with my bone folder and just push that flap flat. Okay, and then do the same for this one. That's why I have you cut them, because it makes it much easier to go in there. Okay, a little bit more glue up there. All right, now we can go ahead and finish the box off like such. And again, I'm going to go in there with my bone folder edge and just lay that down flat. Okay, so our box is done. Now take these guys, little edges, and fold them out the other way. Okay, now we have our, I'm going to put a little bit more glue right there. It's kind of coming undone. Now, as I said, in Design Space, for the brown piece, they wanted you to use a 12 by 24 mat. I have the 12 by 24 mat. I don't have 12 by 24 cardstock, so we'll just make do with what we have. We all have 8.5 by 11, or you can use 12 by 12. I took two pieces. These are cut at 3/4 of an inch by 11 inches. You can see I have sticky strip on one side and on this side. I'm going to take the sticky strip off. You can also use the liquid glue if you like. Take that in there like that, and then take this one off, and then just line them up. And I did the double glue just to make sure they kind of lay flat. All right, now I'm going to take it on my mat and just measure 17.5 inches, which is what it was inside Design Space. 17.5 roughly. Take our trimmer, and we're going to cut it on that 17.5 inch line. And also in Design Space, if you notice, they had a score mark on each end. That was scored at 1 1/4. So we're going to go in there and do that. Score at 1 1/4 on this side. And flip it around and do 1 1/4 on that side. Doesn't need to be exact. Okay, that way that is done. I'm going to put the cap back on my glue, otherwise it's going to dry out on me. Put the pin back in there for a moment. All right, take this and take that one. All right, now you'll see these little slices here on the side. You want to put this in there, like that. Oh, wrong way, on the outside. Okay, so you're going to put it in there like that. Okay, and then do the other one. And you want to have that crease, the fold, go all the way in. All right, now from the inside, you want to fold it where the crease is. Can you see that? Just on the inside, fold it where the crease is. And you want to put glue at the very edge, not the whole thing. And I'll show you in a minute so you can see. Okay, hopefully you can see that. Can you see I have glue right at the very edge? Now I'm just going to lay that back in there so it doesn't cover that part. Okay, and then just squish that part down. Do the same for the other one. I kind of bring it in to where the crease is at that piece there. Fold it on the inside. Then put glue at the very, very end of it. Oh, wrong end. There we go, the other end. And then just bring it down so it lays in there. Okay, just like that. All right, now we have these guys. Now if you want to, you can glue them down. I chose, you can see mine, to pop them up on the edge here. So we're going to do that. I just have these small foam squares. I'm going to put 2 on the sides that have the handle. And then 3 on the other sides. I like this versus it laying flat. It gives the box a little bit more dimension and character. So I'm going to put 3 on this side. And again, I put 2 on the ends on the side that have the handle. I give them a squish all the way around. All right, take the backing off. And then just fold it down. It's a really easy box to put together. It can be super cute on top of an Easter basket, a gift for a coworker. Bring this side down. And lastly, this side. And our box is done. Now we're going to work on the bunny and the greeting. All right, so the box is done. We can set that aside. Now we have this piece, this one, the bunny, and this piece here. All right, take your glue, oops, and put it on the back of the bow. And I did it the wrong way, so my bunny's going to go this way. Just glue that on there. Super cute. And just bend. You can either cut, I'm going to cut it off on this one. You can either cut that little tail off or fold it over. I'm going to choose to cut it off. Okay, he's done. Now we have our greeting, which was done with vinyl. I'm going to take this transfer tape, and I use this clear stuff. People have asked me where I get this from. I get it from the website Brilliant Vinyl. And I did stick it to my pants a few times so it wasn't so tacky. So I laid it over the greeting there. Take a credit card or a gift card, whatever you have on hand. Give it a good rub. Take the backing off. Now we're going to lay it on top of the green one. This is the first time I've ever used vinyl on cardstock, but I do really like it. Alright, you can, of course, you can also use a stamp if you want to use your own stamps. Alright, so we have that done. We're going to take that. Again, we're going to pop that up as well. Just like that. Give that a squish. Bring this over. Put this on the front of the box, whatever side you think looks better. I think they both look the same. Okay, and then give them a squish. Take the backing off of these. Put that right there. Give it a little squish there so it stays. All right, now we have the filler. All I did here was take the same green cardstock I used for the greeting, and I just cut it in little small strips and just scrunched it up a little bit. Okay, that's going to be the filler for a little basket. Of course, again, you can use Easter grass. Right now we have the bunny. You can have the bunny just sit in there. I taped my bunny to a skewer. So I'm going to grab a skewer here and just cut it roughly in half. Take my skewer and a piece of Scotch tape and put our bunny on the back of it. You can also use a paper straw as well. Super cute. Isn't that cute? All right, so he's going to go in there. He just sits in there just like that. He's a little bit too high. Go ahead and cut some more off the bottom. I want them under the handle. And of course, you wouldn't use your good scissors like I just did. There we go. How cute is he, right? Super cute and somewhat easy, I think. All right, guys, there you have it, our Make It Now Monday project for today. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.